The Lasso Tool is a powerful selection tool in Adobe Illustrator CC that allows you to select irregular shapes and objects that are difficult to select with other tools. In this tutorial, we will go over the basics of using the Lasso Tool in Adobe Illustrator CC. Open Adobe Illustrator CC and create a new document. Select the Lasso Tool from the toolbar on the left side of the screen. Click and drag the Lasso tool around the object you want to select. This will create a free-form selection around the object. Once you have completed your selection, release the mouse button. The selected object will be highlighted in a blue color. To deselect the object, simply click anywhere outside of the selected object. After making a selection, you can edit the shape by adding an outline, changing its color, deleting the selected part, or making any other necessary changes. You can also use the Lasso tool in combination with other selection tools in Adobe Illustrator. For example, you can use the Lasso tool to select a portion of an object, and then use the Direct Selection tool to edit the selected portion.
Thanks for watching. Please click bell icon and subscribe the channel.